See, f of x is a function and f of a is 0. G of x is another function. G of x is non-differentiable at x is equals to a. Then this product f of x into g of x is differentiable at x is equals to a. Okay, just pay attention on this. Based on this particular point, already 2-3 times there are questions in previous advanced exams. Okay, right. And now see, options may be like this. You need to check the differentiability of this function at this point. You need to check. You need to announce whether it is differentiable or not. That's it. Okay. So I will give you some examples. X into modulus of x. Actually, modulus of x is non-differentiable at x is equals to 0. But at that non-differentiable point, the first function is 0, right? And that's why we say that x into modulus of x is differentiable at x is equals to 0. That's the idea. Okay. For suppose I will give you another function. X minus 2 into modulus of x square minus 5x plus 6. See, think about this x square minus 5x plus 6. There are two roots for this, 2, 3. So at x is equals to 2, this is non-differentiable. At x is equals to 3, this is non-differentiable. But when you place 2 in this x minus 2, it will become 0. When you replace x with 3 here, this is not 0. So 2 is making this as 0, but 3 is not making. And that's why this particular function is differentiable at x is equals to 2. And this is non-differentiable at x is equals to 3. Okay. Usually when you look this particular function, people will say that this is non-differentiable at 2, 3. But at 2 it is differentiable. Why? Because at 2 this particular value is 0. Okay. And that's why this is what? Differentiable. And one more example. Something like log x to the base e into modulus of x minus 1 by x plus 3. When you look at this, yeah, you just simply take modulus of x minus 1. At x is equals to 1, this is non-differentiable. But at x is equals to 1, this is 0. So both the product together is differentiable at x is equals to 1. So this is one of the important idea related to the continuity. Okay? No, differentiability. Just have a look. So if f of a is 0 and g of x is non-differentiable at x is equals to a, then the product is differentiable at x is equals to a. And I mentioned you few examples.